Hello guys, hope you guys are doing well. Today we are going to unbox PS5. So before going into this video, subscribe to our channel, like to this video and share it to your friends and family members. So guys, first you're going to start by opening the upper covering of the box. So just smoothly open it up with the help of a blade or any knife. So inside you could see a white color box which contains the console. So we're just going to take it out and you just put it away, the outer covering. So guys, after you open it up, you could see the booklets and the voucher. So here we have the FIFA23 voucher. So you could just put the redeem code on the PS5 console after you set up. And here we have the Ultimate Team voucher too. And here we have the quick guide and the warranty card and stuff. So we just keep it away. So here we have now the power cable which you can directly connect it to the console to get the power. And here we have our DualSense wireless controller. We're just opening up and you're just keeping away the cover. So you could see it's so awesome and it's very smooth to control and it's not stucking at all. It at the same time it has a good weight too. So yeah, we'll just keep it up. And over here you could see the stand for your console. You can keep it horizontally or vertically at the same time. So we're just opening it up. Here we go, we have a black color stand. So you can rotate it and keep it in any position you want to keep. So we are just keeping it up. And here we have the HDMI cable to connect it to your PC or to your TV. And now we have our console over here, which is really packed very well. So we're just taking it out. You just put the box away and you just take the side packing up and you just keep it away. So I'm just going to open the packing which is wrapped around the console. So let's have a look. So yeah, now we have our PS5 console. The design is very awesome and they have made it so good, better than the PS4 last time. And we have the power button. And as you can see, you have the USB slot and the USB-C to C slot. And here you have the disc which you insert the game CDs to play. And back you have the two slots for USB and Ethernet slot, HDMI slot, and finally our power cable slot. So you just connect all of these to set up. So let's just have an outer look of the PS5 console now. So guys, these all are the things that we have got from the box. So we have our console with a great design, so fantastic, and our voucher, the HDMI cable, the power plug, and the wireless controller with the stand. So let's start setting it up now. So I just connected everything to the TV and I just off the light for a better experience. I started the power button. So now you could see after I press on the power button, you could see the blue light glowing on both sides of the console. It's looking very awesome, guys. And here we could see the PS5 is starting it up. So now you could see that it's saying to connect your wireless controller to your console, which I have been in the box. So we're just going to connect it. and you have to press the PS5 button. So after you press the PS5 button, you could see the language. You can select the language you want. So I'm gonna select English United Kingdom. So yeah, you just click on the X and you just continue, and you can now connect your internet connection, which is really important. So just connecting to the access point now. And it's taking 2 or 3 minutes to connect. So after it got connected, they are telling about the control buttons. So it's about the adjust display area. So you can control the display area if you want it larger or smaller. So it's according to you. I have kept it full, and this is the brightness. You could see here. You can check the brightness how much ever you want. So if you press on the up button, it will get brighter, and the lower button, it will get darker. And here we have the HDR checking. So we're just checking out, and last we're just checking the darkness, and you just continue. So now it's saying to insert a game disk. If you have any game disk, you can install so at the same time. And here we have the power options for when you're not using your PS5, it will go to rest mode. So I'm just going to keep it up at optimize experience. So we can just continue. So now it's asking for the system license agreement. So I'm just going to give agree, and you just confirm it. So after that, you could see the system software update. So it will take a few minutes. I'm just giving one update. Or if you want, you can do it later. So the PS5 is just starting up. It's gonna take a few minutes. And yeah, now it's just installing. So in between this time, you can create your PlayStation sign in with your QR code. And your TV just restarts. And so it's saying to press on the PS5 control button, and after that you could see the sign in. You can sign into your email address. So you can scan the QR code, and you can make a PS5 account, as I have mentioned before. So you're just going to update the other information for your account. So here we could see a lot of avatars for your profile, and you can select one of them. I'm going to select just one, and you're just going to verify your email address after that. And it's asking just for a security, it's just asking for a PS5 login passcode. So I'm just going to give a passcode. So it will be a 4-digit passcode. You can just use by your controller. So it's loading. And after that, it's just asking for your account 2-step verification and the other family parental guides and other stuffs. So you can download the media, like at the same time you're playing the games, you can just use these media. So I'm going to download some of them, like Netflix and Apple TV. So it's just showing welcome to PlayStation. I'm very eager about the homepage. And you just go inside your account, and you could see it's gonna update the DualSense wireless controller. So it will take a few minutes. So now you could see your PS5 DualSense controller is just glowing up. It's looking so beautiful. So after it become 100, it's just going to restart your controller, and here you go, we have the home screen. So yeah, so we have the built-in Astro's Playroom over here. It's in all the PS5. It is a pre-installed game. And guys, to get the FIFA23 game, you can go to PlayStation Store section, and in the settings you can click on redeem code, and you can enter the code which is given in the voucher. So it will be installed automatically. And guys, hope you all enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. Like to this video, share it to your friends and family members, and subscribe to our channel. Bye guys, see you later.